Hello guys, welcome to Ali Venture. For today's video, we're going to the Hot Creek Geologic Site here in Mammoth Mountain. We're here now guys at the parking area. There's tables right here and there's bathrooms. We're gonna explore around this geological site.
So, what is this geology site about?
To take a short hike right here, going down and checking out the Hot Creek. Sobrang init. Init na init yung bata. O, pawis na pawis. Kasi nga, nasa Hot Creek tayo. Tapos, tirik na tirik pa yung araw. And it's summertime, so it's so hot. You can see the creek right there, guys. But let's go check it out here first. We're going to walk here, this trail. This place, guys, is open from sunrise to sunset. They're not allowing overnight camping, and also they have the toilet and parking on site. And also, if you have dogs must be on leash. No swimming, no fishing, no climbing into the fence-off area. And during winter months, guys, you can access this place by snowmobile, snowshoe, or cross-country skiing. Now it's time, guys, to hike down all the way to the bottom. Let's go. I've only seen this, guys, in videos and photos, but being here and actually seeing this in person, it's beautiful, guys. This is awesome. Do you see the bubbles come out, Ali? The water is bubbling.
Oh, the actual boiling water, like really boiling.
Yeah, it is right there. Look, you see that one over there smoking. It's a geothermal hazard. Stay away, 10 feet away from it. You guys can see the water bubbling. The tiny geyser. Ooh, be careful, don't get too close. Oh yeah, it's steaming right here. Wow, that is so cool.
I can't see the water, but there's
Yeah,
definitely in
just
there.
be
'cause it's
careful.
steaming. Be
Yeah,
careful
I wonder
where
if
you
the
step.
fish died when they go this way, huh?
Maybe they turned into close.
So yeah, we're here, guys. There's not much people right now. There's a tiny little hot spring right there. We are just following the trails, guys, and we knew that we couldn't get too close to the creek because of due to the danger of the hot water that can pose. You have to be very careful here, guys, because sometimes the geyser spouts that comes out from here, from the volcanic activity that goes underneath. So just be very careful, guys, especially when you have kids. The water here, guys, can reach up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So for your own safety, do not swim in this water. Just be very careful. There's another hot spring right here. Oh, wow. Ali? Yeah? Come right here, look. There's another hot spring right here. The water is so clean and clear, but it's steaming. Wow. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed and share our videos. Have a great day, guys.